Hey guys, so today it's all about trying weird food combinations. And you know, the last video that we did where Brian gave me all cotton and onion and all of them something to eat, this is the perfect challenge to try and get back at him. But knowing Brian, the fact that Brian eats just about anything, I don't know if anything will be weird enough, but I'm going to try and find some things and put them together and see how weird it will be for him. So let's go.
Yeah. Remember what happened last time? Mrs. Guff really, she really do this to herself. Yeah. Remember what happened last time? Yeah. Mix and match. Alright. Make we see what we can find. Make we see what we can find with the onion. Make we see what we can find with the vinegar. Make we see what we can find. Weird combination. Watch this.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
I found some grapes. I found peanut butter. I found mayonnaise. I have bun. I think I'm gonna use ketchup. Can I put the ketchup with the bun, or that too edible? What can I put with the grapes? Grapes and mayonnaise? Or maybe that way it tastes like grapes and... Here boy outside. Anyway. Embarking at the rain, I think. What can I put with the grapes? Alright, I'm gonna think about it and then you'll see it inside the challenge. But it's because the last time Brian gave me onion to eat, I'm not gonna give him no onion, no, but the last time he gave me onion to eat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm gonna hide the onion, hide the garlic, and hide the scallion so him can't put it in anything and give me to eat. I also found lime. Maybe we can squeeze the lime on the bun or something. Alright, you'll see what I come up with. Stay tuned.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
What's up, guys? It's another fun video right here on Stuff from the Cups. Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to Stuff from the Cups, right here. We're so very happy to be able to bring you fire another time. We give you fun. What else we give them?
Ready for win.
If they're for business about nothing else,
long time we not do no challenge. Winnings.
This is where we give you fun, inspiration,
real stuff,
and we're
educational. And today I'm going to educate you know another challenger.
Guys, can I tell you, I have been so nervous about doing this video with Brian because we all know how Brian extra and Guan, and he takes some of these challenges so seriously that I have to be wondering what's going through his mind when he's doing these things. Y'all remember the challenge where we had to guess what we were eating? And Brian,
can you smell?
And Brian gave me
what the rock is cooking.
And Brian gave me cotton to eat. If you have not seen that video, you need to go watch that one, okay?
All right, Cufflinks fam. So of course, you know, we are young YouTubers and we continue to grow. And there are other YouTubers out there who are also growing, and we want to big up Tice and Don, TYS and DON. Yeah. So we want you to go check them out because they have some entertaining stuff over there. They have some interesting stuff like
I've never seen anybody do an exotic fruit mukbang. So that one took the cake for me because me never see that before. It's always like seafood and that kind of thing. So
I don't know what a mukbang is really, guys. I've watched the videos and I'm like, why? Why?
Yeah, guys. So we want you to go and check them out. Their link to their channel will be down in the description below. And of course, we'll give you a little preview of what they're all about. Check them out, guys. You know, we're all about growing together as a YouTube family. And so we have no hesitation.
The pie big enough.
We have no hesitation with bigging up other young YouTubers. We're all in this journey together. And as Brian just said, it's something I always say, the pie is big enough for all of us. So check them out, like, subscribe, watch their videos, and let's grow together.
They're over there in Boston.
Yeah, they're
and one
in
of the
Boston.
videos that is the Jamaican jerk chicken. I wonder if it's the Boston jerk. You see what I did here?
Yeah,
What I did?
that's a good one.
Myself.
Check them out, guys. And of course, we're all about support. So support them, support other YouTubers. Yeah. Subscribe, like, share. Okay.
A weird combination challenge. And of course, it's got to be edible. It's got to be tasty. But it's got to be weird.
Right. So what we're doing in this video is trying weird combinations. All right. So we're trying weird combinations.
I promise. No cotton. Promise.
But cotton can't eat, babe. And I'm going to make up something to tell me, say,
cotton candy.
People eat. Is cotton candy you give me?
Cotton. You can call it candy.
Guys, I'm so nervous.
Ladies first. Let's go. Let's get the show on the road. Guys, it's raining. It's cool. Kids are enjoying their tablet time. We're here. We're going to do this quick and fast. And we're going to drop it so that you can enjoy it. Yeah, you don't know. Life hard. Time stressing. And it's the weekend. It's time to have some fun. Just let know you're here. So let know you're here and relax. Have some fun.
All right. So I'm going to start off. We've each, don't look down in my plate.
I don't want to see.
We've each chosen three different things, and there are quote unquote weird combinations. And to be honest with you guys, I don't know how weird I can get for Brian because Brian just eat everything together.
That's so now we not bad with that.
Babe,
no
you eat bulla and curry chicken. Who eat bulla and curry chicken?
Bulla is like flour. So it's like a dumpling.
Guys, you never eat bulla and curry chicken?
Yeah.
Brian eat bulla with any. Brian eat bulla with any and everything. So I try to make it weird, but I know that he's going to be extra. And I try to be extra, but I can really only be Basilia. So I'm going to start off with my first thing. And this, let me open it up. This is grape and ketchup. Watch him just eat it like it's nothing. How is it?
Guys, I absolutely love ketchup and I absolutely love grapes. I'm in heaven right now. Bruh. I'm in heaven. Ketchup can eat with almost anything, guys. Come on. Ketchup is like a lifesaver.
Who eats ketchup and grape?
It actually tastes really good. Like, actually, I think about eating ketchup and grape next time again. So maybe you're onto something. Okay. Guys, can you imagine going to a restaurant and getting grape a la ketchup? Grape a la ketchup. Grape a la ketchup.
Well, obviously that one was a fail because he actually liked it. Grape and ketchup. Who eat grape and ketchup? Seriously? So it's his turn and...
Run. You ready?
Pray for me.
Alright guys, so as you see right here, it is cereal. It's in a cereal container, right? And I've thought about it. You know, sometimes the milk run out. You ever throw your cereal and the milk run out? Yeah. What do you use as a substitute? What is white and rich like milk?
Run.
Voila. Just that way. What I see then. So it's cereal a la mayo.
Hold on.
What? It's cereal and mayo. No,
Let me feed
you.
my... No, no
feed
thanks.
you.
No.
Alright.
Guys,
You have to eat. You have to put... You see, when I put the whole of the grape in my mouth, the one spoonful you have to eat. It not gonna taste bad, trust me.
Do you taste it?
It not gonna taste bad, trust me.
Cereal and mayonnaise, babe. This is Fruit Loops and mayonnaise.
Yeah. Cereal a la mayo. Yeah, I'm bringing a little Spanish, Italian, French mayon to the table. Yeah, take forever though. Just one go. See? Not bad. So guys, if you run out of milk, yeah, then you draw for the condensed milk and you run out of the condensed milk. And somehow we have had water and cereal. That don't work. Try mayo. Mayo. The cereal. It's not that bad, man. Not that bad. Look. Not bad.
They carry water?
Not that bad here, guys. I'll make it go on, so.
Alright, so it don't taste that bad, but it is not.
What?
It's not enjoyable.
I never tell you say it's enjoyable. I tell you say it's a supplement or a replacement for the milk.
Babe, who? Well, it could have been worse. You could have made mayonnaise water, mayonnaise milk, and give me with the cereal. That would have been much worse.
Who would do that?
You? Alright, so close your eyes. No, don't close your eyes, but don't look at my thing. You're going to see the next one. So I have here chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. So I have here a chicken wing, but it has been topped with peanut butter,
Jelly?
jam, peanut butter, jelly, and topped with some coffee creamer.
Guys, you know, Bass I give you some luxurious dishes, you know. Yeah? You know, you have peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, peanut butter and jelly chicken with creamer. I think I'm going to enjoy this. So let's go.
You gonna put the whole thing in the mouth? Guys, I'm not winning.
Guys, I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I love fried chicken. Coffee creamer makes good for coffee. It works. You're doing stuff that I love. What do you expect?
Who eat chicken
You're
and
such
peanut
a
butter?
sweetheart. You eat chicken, you eat peanut butter and jelly.
Guys, I told you this would have been a challenge.
Everything mixed up in your stomach, don't guys?
I told you this wouldn't have been much of a challenge for him. Yes, and a challenge for me to get this done properly. What is that?
Bread a la sauce.
What that mean?
It's a brandy sauce.
What?
A honey brandy sauce.
Why it smell like pepper?
A honey brandy pepper sauce.
No.
Babe, eat it. Babe, you call it.
You think that means nothing to me?
Come
I'll join with you.
man.
What is
One
it?
bite.
What is it?
It's bread with a sauce.
Is it a pepper sauce?
It's a brandy
I don't
honey.
eat pepper.
It's just a little tubes of pepper. Nah, kill you. It will get your senses tingling.
Babe, the pepper hot.
It's not hard. I tasted it. Yeah, like that.
Baby pepper hot.
You say? You say?
Pepper
Alright,
hot,
guys.
baby.
You ready for your juice, the water? So, guys, this would have been my third, and she should have gone before me. But like all the pepper, it is jam water. Jam water. Strawberry jam water.
So it's a regular water.
You can't mix the regular water. You have to mix, you say, weird combination water and strawberry jam. Tastes good, man. Tell you say it tastes good. It washed down all the. You see, guys, look at my strategy. I started off with a little cereal to sweeten the palate. Then I gave her some pepper to zing it up. And now I'm washing it all down with some sweet jam water. Smile, man.
Guys, it actually tastes good.
I told you, I'm a chef. I am a chef.
It actually tastes like strawberry daiquiri.
It's jam water. Coming to a office near you. Jam water.
Wow.
Where we give you the jam in the water.
Guys, it actually tastes good. So you see, if you run out of Kool-Aid
No
or
tang
any
there.
drinks
No
mix
sugar
and you
no
have
there.
some jam,
Drop it in there.
drop it in the water.
Mix
it
it out.
actually tastes good.
Drop 2 ice cube in there. Drop it in a freezer, make it chill little. Yeah.
Me, I'll drink off all like.
One again.
No.
Let me just.
It actually tastes good, so I'll give you that one.
We win.
So
Not really a win challenge, but we win.
right. You're so.
Winning this.
So my last thing is, I have a bun sandwich here, but inside the bun there is
Sweet and sour chicken.
no Bigfoot covered in mayonnaise inside the bun, and then I squeezed some lime on the bun.
Guys, Mr.
Okay, here, take a bite. Big bite. No, I never say if it tastes it. Big bite. Ah,
Just one little to say something in your mouth and it's sour.
ah. You're not chewing. You're not chewing. Hey, just what?
Man!
I squeezed one whole lime on it. You have to swallow it. Baby, too extra.
It's sour, man.
Then what's gonna happen when we do the other challenge? Yeah, water. Oh God, you better sweat. Oh gosh. So it's just sour.
Bad.
Gosh. You did jam. It's sweet now again. So guys,
Wow.
was it good?
Sour.
Oh well. Well,
So me give you sweet and give me sour.
so you go.
Guys, you need a sweet and sour in your relationship.
So we had pepper and bread.
Sauce. Bread sauce.
Okay, we had jam and water.
Jam water.
All right, and we all. What's the first one you gave me?
Something sour, you know.
Gosh, what's the first one you gave me?
The mayo cereal.
Mayo and cereal, which was nasty.
Guys, I gave her something bland, and I gave her something to
was
spice up her
nasty.
mouth, and then I gave something to wash it
It
down.
was nasty.
That's a complete meal.
And I gave
A la
him
chef.
ketchup and grape.
That it tastes good.
I gave him what's the other thing?
The chicken and the peanut butter jam.
Chicken wing, jam, peanut butter, and a little bit of they call that coffee
Creamer.
creamer.
It tasted so good.
And then I gave him the bun sandwich
Lime
with
sour, man.
the Bigfoot covered in
I don't
the
taste
mayo
nothing else but the lime, guys.
with lime juice. So I don't know. Out of everything here, the only thing that I would eat again, well, drink again, would be the jam and water.
Jam water.
If I don't have a choice, or probably if I feel like we just want to try it again,
Guys, if I come
I would
home,
drink the jam and water again.
if I come home and I see grape and ketchup and load in the house, belly full.
Is there anything that I did that you would do
the
again?
lime thing.
No,
me
that you would eat again.
everything you give me that eat again, except too much lime. Just too much lime. It's even probably that just drop a little lime and make it open up the senses.
Yeah, but I wasn't
and
trying to
enjoy
make it palatable for you. I was trying to gross
Like,
you out.
If I feel like if I even drink some water now, it have a taste. Everything open up palate. All water, me taste every iron. Me taste the H2 and the O.
Alright, well, yeah. Those were some weird food combinations. You can let us know in the comments, guys, if there is anything that people would consider weird that you actually enjoy having. And maybe we'll read the comments and see if there's something that we would try. Maybe we feel a little adventurous and we would try. So let us know in the comments any combinations that you eat that people don't eat on a normal basis. And yeah, be sure to like the video before you go.
Subscribe! Yeah, we don't want no squatting.
No.
All the tenant them, big up on yourself.
No.
All the return residents, big up on yourself.
Big ups, guys. Thank you so much again for making it Stuff from the Cuffs. Yes, subscribe before you go. Subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching another video. We'll have another one for you soon. Bye.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some love.